Hi guys, today we will be discussing about types of a chemical reaction. First of all, I'll recall how many types of a chemical reaction. In first video, we already discussed types of a chemical reaction. So there are five types of a chemical reaction. First one is a combination reaction. Second is a decomposition reaction. Third is a displacement reaction. Then neutralization and precipitation reaction. So today we will be discussing about a decomposition reaction. What do you mean by decomposition reaction? By name itself we can recognize what is a decomposition reaction. Decomposition means breaking down of it. Means we are breaking a compound and forming a two or more substance or two or more compounds. So we will be watching and we will discuss about decomposition reaction with a video clip. Hope you will understand more by watching a video clip. So let's start
See here
decomposition
how the
reaction.
decomposition reaction will take place. Now we will be watching the video. After video watching only we can understand how the decomposition reaction will take place. So let's start watching the video. See here how the teacher is moving into the lab. The decomposition reaction. Today he will be going to teach you the decomposition reaction, how the decomposition reaction will take place. He will be thinking how to make you to understand the reaction. See, first he is going to define you the definition of a chemical reaction, decomposition reaction. A reaction in which a compound is split up into two or more simpler substances. See here how the substance breaking down into a two or more simpler substance by heating a compound. So that is called a decomposition reaction. He is taking a one compound. See here, let's take an example. Ferrous sulfate. He took a ferrous sulfate compound. The color of ferrous sulfate crystal is green and formula is FeSO4. See, this is the tripod stand. Tripod stand is used for holding the beaker, test tube. See, in test tube he is putting ferrous sulfate, FeSO4, and this is the Bunsen lamp which we are using for heating in lab. See, we have to wait what will happen. He is observing what observation will observe here. See, after heating, the white color smoke is coming out. The color of ferrous sulfate crystal first changes to white as it loses molecule of water of crystallization. See here, after losing only the smoke is coming out, water of crystallization he is losing. He is happy something is going on, but the smell is too strong. He is saying we cannot bear it, that smell. Ferrous sulfate changed to reddish brown due to the formation of ferric oxide. The formula of ferric oxide is Fe2SO4. See, he cannot bear the smell, it's too strong smell. Sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases are also released in this reaction. That's why he is not able to bear that smell. The smell is pungent smell. See, they have a pungent and rotten smell due to the burning of sulfur. The sulfur is completely burnt. How we are cooking, sometime we forget to switch off the gas, our vegetable will get burned. So like that same this compound is burned. So these gases are toxic. They should not be inhaled. It's too much toxic. We cannot see. He is putting the mask and going and moving out of the lab after switching off the Bunsen lamp. Before moving from the lab, we have to switch off the Bunsen lamp. See how the reaction is taking place. Writing on the board, decomposition reaction, FeSO4 after heating break down into Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. He is moving out of the lab. See, hope you understood this. Thank you. Have a nice. So this is an experiment of changing temperature. So you enjoyed watching the video. Hope this video will make you to understand and learn chemistry in an easy way. Let's meet in the next video with many more colorful experiments. Thank you. Let's rock in chemistry with her Just Chem. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.